Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sell Bitcoin on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top of the screen, we have the traders, we have the lenders, we have the about and more. You can of course go sign out and return to the platform, or you could of course go and click on start trading, which is in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell Bitcoin on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. Firstly, click on start trading to get to the main screen here. Then once you have done that, of course, you need to go and navigate to the sell panel. So basically navigate to the trading section, first of all, where we just clicked on start trading, or go to the top left corner and click on trading, which is here. Then go and select the BTC USD trading pair. This is usually the most common pair for selling Bitcoin. Choose the type of order. So you can select from various order types such as market, limit stop, etc. for a quick sale, and market order is recommended. Then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell and review and confirm your order. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.